Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the new View television. Let's get started. Now this is an Android 4K UHD television, and it is available in three sizes: the 43-inch, the 49-inch and the 55-inch. Priced at rupees 36,999 for the 43-inch. It is considerably pricey compared to what Xiaomi offers with the Mi TV 4, and there are also several other differences that we'll talk about later on in this video, but let's quickly do the unboxing. The packaging is pretty standard, and inside the box you will get two remote controls, a user manual and warranty card. You'll get table mount stands. These are two for either side of the television, and then you also get the screws. You also get a wall mount bracket and wall mount screws, a standard power cable, batteries for the remote, and a AV cable that you'll probably not use. Now the television panel itself is an IPS panel with a 3840 by 2160 resolution. They call it a piano black design with these chrome lines running on the front. I personally am not a fan of this design, but it'll go well in most situations. The company claims a 178-degree viewing angle for this television and a 60Hz refresh rate. They also have a 2-box speaker, which both of these are 10 watt each. And inside is a quad-core processor with 16 GB of storage and 2.5 GB of RAM. You can directly connect a headphone because there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and this television, because it's a smart TV, can connect over Wi-Fi, and there is also a Ethernet port. On the back you'll see 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. These do support the addition of a hard drive or a pen drive to play movies directly off of this. The second remote, which is a Bluetooth remote, needs to be added on in the menu separately, and it can also do voice commands for Google specific applications, since this is an Android TV. Now if we talk about what's inside as far as operating systems are concerned, it runs on Android 7 for smart televisions, and it also has a Google Play Store, a Google ecosystem inbuilt, so you can run all your Google apps, and it also supports Google voice commands using that remote. And it's comparatively easy to set up. If you have an Android device, you can simply set it up, and all your syncing, all your logins, including Google Play Store, etc., will happen directly from the smartphone. You won't need to do a bit of a setup experience. It does support Chromecast, and it will support 4K movies directly from the USB port. It does support MPEG and H.264 and 265 for the latest formats. If you're watching 4K 60, most probably it's in 265, and it does directly support it. The panel itself has 450 nits of brightness, and it is direct LED lit or DLED, and it's not an edge lit panel. So you'll see that on the back of the television itself there is a huge bump, and that's because of the type of panel it is. It's also an 8-bit panel with, like I mentioned, a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Now directly in front of the Xiaomi Mi TV 4, you will see that of course we have a 55-inch Mi TV, but the Mi TV also has HDR, which is absolutely fantastic, which the View TV does not. And for the price of the 43-inch View TV, by adding just a few thousand more, you can get a 55-inch Mi TV. So that is definitely something that a lot of people will need to consider as far as pricing goes, and also the fact that the Mi TV is only available on a flash sale, which a lot of people do not like. Of course, we've done a full in-depth review on the Mi TV, which I will link in the description as well as in the video right now, so you should go check that out. But if you look at the televisions from the side, you'll see that the Mi TV is extremely slim and sleek on the top, with a really nice back finish, with a metal finish on the back, and it sort of widens towards the bottom, whereas the View TV has a good amount of depth to begin with from the start and all the way to the bottom. So definitely something that you'll need to consider in terms of the way the television looks, where you're going to be keeping it, whether it's in your living room or your bedroom, how you're going to be using it. All of those things will then come into play. The television itself is running on Android, so all your streaming apps will be supported natively, unlike the Xiaomi television. So you can run Amazon Prime TV, Netflix, Hotstar, YouTube. Any streaming service that is available on an Android phone will effectively be available on the Android TV as well. So you'll be able to see most of your apps run without a problem right out of the box, right the day when you get the television. So that is definitely something that gives it a slight bit of an advantage. Now we used this television for a little bit and found that the audio is not right there up to the mark, whereas mids and highs are pretty loud and clear. The bass lacks quite a lot, so I would recommend getting a soundbar if you do decide to get this television. Also, you have a huge chunk of bezel on all sides of the television and on the bottom bit as well, where the view branding is. That does have a huge amount of bezels, and you do have these chrome lines, which, like I said, I'm not a fan of, but a lot of people can incorporate this into their design quite easily. Now we'll be doing a full in-depth review if you guys want it. So let us know in the comment section below if you guys do want a full in-depth review of this television, and we'll do that for you guys. If you want to do some sort of comparison, do let us know that in the description below as well. This has been Bharat Nagpal. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. I'll see you guys in the next one.